Cobots and Collaborative Robots. Types and applications. This video will give an in-depth discussion about collaborative robots. Watch further to learn more about topics such as principle of collaborative robots, types of collaborative robots, applications and benefits of collaborative robots, and much more. Chapter 1. Understanding the core principles of collaborative robots. Defining collaborative robots. Automation equipment. Various tools for collaborative robots. Cobot vision systems. (2D) vision systems. (3D) vision systems. End-of-arm tooling. Varieties of EOAT. EOAT, glue dispensers. EOAT, screwing machines. EOAT, sanders. Cobot sensors. Cobot soldering and welding tools. Cobot grippers. Different types of Cobot grippers. Electric grippers. Pneumatic grippers. Finger grippers. Cobot software. RoboDK. Cobot range extenders. Cobot safety. Cobot supply systems. Cobot tool changers. Key factors in choosing a collaborative robot. Several points should be assessed when selecting a collaborative robot. Collaborative robot applications. Systems integrator. Expert robotic integrators. Conducting risk assessment. Addressing collaborative robot queries. Frequently asked questions. What makes collaborative robots, cobots, different from traditional industrial robots? What are the main types of collaborative robots? Which tasks and industries benefit most from cobot integration? How do vision systems enhance collaborative robot performance? What are the main benefits and drawbacks of using cobots? Do cobots comply with safety standards for human-robot interaction? Chapter 2. What are the types of collaborative robots? Power and force limiting cobots. Safety monitored stop cobots. Speed and separation cobots. Hand guiding cobots. Choosing the right collaborative robot for your application. Chapter 3. What are the applications and benefits of collaborative robots, cobots? This chapter will explore the various applications and advantages of collaborative robots. Applications of collaborative robots. Sanding and polishing. Screwing jobs. Pick and place. Bin picking. Machine tending. Cobots and palletizing. Quality testing and inspection. gluing and sealing. Soldering and welding. Different industries for collaborative robots. Food industry. Plastics industry. Packaging industry. Electronics industry. Pharmaceutical industry. Automotive industry. Metal industry. Benefits of collaborative robots. Collaborative robots offer several advantages, including compact, installing and programming, flexible, mobile, consistent and precise. Positive impact on employees. Reduction of costs of production. Drawbacks of collaborative robots. Safety standards of collaborative robots. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right cobots and collaborative robot manufacturers for your needs.